how to delete all message on Discord in easy way and fastest way. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's start. First, go to Discord. If you want to delete this message, this is the example I will show you. If you want to delete this faster, just press and hold the shift button like this, and the trash icon will show up here in the lower right. Delete, delete, delete. So if you want to delete the whole message on your channel, let's say you have many message with your friends in this channel past 2 years, 1 year, or anything else, just right click here, sample here. You will duplicate the channel, create channel, and select the old one, right click, delete. Then the duplicate one you will drag up here. That's it. So very easy. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.